welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to do a challenging video to fried ice cream. Have you fried ice cream before, and what it tastes good or tastes weird? I'm very interested to try it out. Let's start. Ice cream so tiny. Mango, strawberry, and coconut. I think 2 eggs is enough. I will make you fried ice cream dessert. I need to do it fast before it melts. And I will put the ice cream in the between of bread. In the between, oh, go this way. And I will use a cutter. I need to
hold on, baby.
Cut the bread first.
Sweetie, let's try an experiment, okay?
Yeah.
Watch.
Doing?
You could do it like this. Okay?
But these too big.
I know.
You can't eat the whole piece.
Why not? Watch. Do it like this. I'm using the flat side of the knife. Ow, don't do that. Okay.
Did you cut yourself again?
No, I just...
You're making a mess.
Okay, that one didn't work.
You're just so wasted.
Oh, I know I'm wasting. But you know what? We'll go get more. Who cares? Okay, so do it like this. Watch.
I already cut
a tab off.
You cut yourself. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put the whole thing.
I think it's too thick. We need to cut it like this way. Then it'll be better. I will just do the way out. You make your own and make mine. Look, it's flower shaped. Oh, so this one I didn't cut. It's good. And I will put it in the center. Okay, you made sense. Okay, so the next thing is...
Hold on. The edges are coming apart.
The next thing is to get the egg all over the bread. We need a brush. Yes, we have a brush. You made a giant. And the next thing is to put the bread crumbs. I should use a plate. Do this way. Yours are too big.
I'm gonna give you a warning.
Yes?
While it may seem like a good idea to eat ice cream off of the knife blade, the knife blade is sharp.
You cut your tongue, right?
I'm not admitting to that.
Why you are doing it? I told you do not do that. Then let me look at your tongue. You can taste the blood, right? Or it hurts.
No, I just feel like a paper cut maybe on part of my tongue. Or maybe it's just my imagination.
Have you had this dessert before? I think the oil is ready. Let's fry it. We should take the stick out.
No, the stick is what you do. You hold it in and put it in with the stick and pull it out. Which is why you need to be using this. So you can go...
We can't... That's too much oil. It's a challenge video. Here. This is why I'm using a super long chopsticks. Let's fry it. Oh, it says frying. Okay, I'll put this one in. This one. And then this side. Oh! It's ready. Just fry it for less than 30 seconds. Okay. Do you want to try it? It's ready.
Italian style panko breadcrumbs. So it's going to taste like...
It'll taste like Italian style.
Buttery chicken breadcrumbs. It's got garlic and mustard and butter flavor on these breadcrumbs.
The ice cream's already melted. Let's eat yours. Eat yours. You take the plate. I will take my plate.
That's a strange flavor.
The ice cream is leaking.
It really does. It's got a buttery Italian bread taste to it, like if you put butter on a baguette and roasted it.
Okay, I will make another one.
Okay, it tastes strange, but I'm still sitting here eating. What's wrong with me?
Okay, I'll make another one with more ice cream.
Okay, you want to know what the closest flavor to that I've ever had? Grilled cheese sandwich with jelly inside. That's the closest flavor.
This time I will make it heart-shaped. And mango flavor ice cream. Ice cream it. Press it. Put egg. Bake one, fried one, eat one. The outside is hot and the inside is cold. And because this time I put more ice cream and it tastes a lot better. The ice cream is not completely melted yet. I think I like it. I'm going to make more. This time I'm using different style of bread crumbs. This style has the garlic and this style just the plain crumb. The smell is also different. This one has no smell. This one has garlic smell. Two different kinds, and I already cut the bread in different shape. And then this time I will use strawberry ice cream. I need to do it quick, otherwise it's melting. Right now I need to put the rest of them in the fridge, the round ones. Press it. And this time we're just using the plain crumb. I need to make it one by one because I don't want the ice cream melted. It needs fast. This time I will cut it open to show you guys. Cut it open. Look. This time tastes a lot better because it has no garlic flavor. It tastes super good. Is this better?
Yeah, it tastes slightly better, yeah.
I'm going to make more because it tastes really good. You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. This time the ice cream melted. Next time I can make you mochi ice cream. While I'm using these chopsticks, I should use the other one so we can put some hot sauce. We have a lot of leftover bread. I don't want to throw it away. I will store it.
What? I wanted a sandwich and you had leftover bread.
You have to eat the edges. We have a lot of.
It's fine. No, I'll eat this leftover sandwich.
I actually felt like I had too many. At the beginning when I had just one or two, I felt the taste is very new and it also tastes yummy. But after I had a few more, and right now I just feel like very greasy, and I really need something that's salty. It's very interesting to eat it. You could try it out and please make comments if it tastes good to you. How do you feel the taste? And you could use different bread crumbs like the Italian style or just the plain ones. They definitely taste different. It was very interesting making it and tasting it. It's worth trying, very fun. I think I like the taste, but I wouldn't want to eat it every day. Next video will be a very popular food tasting video. I can't wait to taste it because I have never had this before and I'm very excited. I already bought it. And I'm saving it for next video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next food tasting video soon. Bye bye.